and gentlemen, we finally pulled the trigger. And I'm sorry, I already opened the box, I already unboxed it. But we finally got some mods, like some real mods for the car. So I'm just gonna show you real quick the box. Oh yeah, I actually have it upside down. I opened it, I just screwed myself. I opened it upside down because I wanted to look at it, and then I was gonna flip it around, put the exhaust back in, and open it for you guys from the top. Whatever, it is what it is. Here's the exhaust, guys. I went with the Borla ATAK. I got the axle back. Unfortunately, I thought that the axle back was like after the H pipe all the way to the tips, but apparently it's exactly how the name says it is, axle back. So I kind of f***ed up there, but the plan is I'm gonna go to the muffler shop and I'm gonna have them add the extra piping. Whatever, it's not Borla, but it's gonna be the same diameter, and I mean they use good quality stuff, so it is what it is. I just don't want to send it back because I went through a bunch of shit just to get it, and I don't want to waste more time. You know how it is with car parts, you're just excited, you want to just put it on already. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I will show you guys the before and after results. So if you don't know, or you didn't see my first video, the car already comes with an H pipe from Stita, and that's all it has. So I'll show a clip of how it sounds now, and I'm gonna show you guys a clip of how it sounds with the Borla. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see how this thing sounds. Let's go. So here we are at the muffler shop. We're just gonna get the tips welded. A little disappointed because it's not really a true axle back. It's just really like the tips, like that what you see right there on the floor. That's really it. But whatever, I just bit the bullet, and eventually I'll just order a complete cat back or something. And whatever, we'll see how it sounds. Hopefully, at least it sounds decent, you know? That's all that matters at this point. It is what it is, you know? But there she goes, there they go. The new one. Oh yeah. This sounds mean. I fucking love the sound of this car now. I mean, I already loved it before, but goddamn, sounds like a freaking beast. So all it has, it's a Steeda H pipe and it has the Borla ATAK mufflers. That's it. Sounds freaking amazing, guys. Trust. I totally recommend the Borla ATAK.